Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of optimizing your website so that it ranks higher on search engines like Google. SEO is crucial because it helps your website become more visible to users searching for the topics, products, or services that you offer. Without SEO, your site may not be seen by your target audience, which directly impacts your business growth. Think of SEO as the practice of making your website appealing to both Google and the users searching for content like yours. When we talk about Google SEO specifically, we're referring to the methods and strategies used to make a website rank higher on Google's search results pages. Google uses complex algorithms to determine which pages appear first, and this is where SEO plays a role. The goal of Google SEO is to make sure that your site is optimized in a way that Google sees it as valuable and relevant, placing it high in the search results. To begin with, it's important to understand that SEO is not a one-time fix. It's an ongoing process. Google continuously updates its algorithms, so SEO requires constant adjustments and monitoring to stay ahead. Your website's content, structure, and relevance to the search queries must be regularly updated in order to maintain high rankings. Now, SEO is important not just because it helps your website rank higher, but because it drives organic traffic. Organic traffic is the traffic that comes to your site from search engines, and it's highly valuable because it's free. Unlike paid ads, which require continuous investment, SEO enables your site to grow its visibility without ongoing costs, making it a long-term, sustainable marketing strategy. SEO is also about understanding user behavior. When people search on Google, they enter keywords or phrases, which are their queries. Google then matches these queries with the most relevant pages based on its ranking factors. SEO helps you align your website content with what users are searching for, giving your pages a higher chance of ranking well. Google SEO works by focusing on two primary types: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements on your own website, such as the content, structure, and technical factors. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, is about factors outside your website, like backlinks, which are links from other websites that point to yours. Both are essential for ranking highly on Google. Understanding Google SEO is the first step to harnessing its power to grow your online presence. By consistently improving your website through SEO techniques, you can build more visibility, drive targeted traffic, and ultimately increase your chances of turning that traffic into valuable business opportunities. SEO consists of several key components that work together to improve your site's ranking. The first and perhaps most critical component is keyword research. Keywords are the phrases or terms that users type into Google's search engine when they are looking for information. By understanding what keywords your audience is using, you can create content that is more likely to match their search queries, increasing your chances of ranking. Content quality is another fundamental element of SEO. Google rewards websites with high-quality, relevant content because it values user experience. The more valuable and relevant your content is, the more likely it is that people will spend time on your site, and that's a signal to Google that your site is authoritative. This can help improve your rankings. High-quality content also encourages engagement, such as shares and comments, which are also important for SEO. On-page SEO is all about the elements on your website that can be optimized for search engines. This includes using keywords effectively in your titles, meta descriptions, headings, and body content. These elements tell Google what your page is about and help it understand how relevant your content is to specific search queries. Structuring your content properly with headings and subheadings also improves readability, which is beneficial for both SEO and user experience. Technical SEO refers to the back-end elements of your website, such as page load speed, mobile optimization, and URL structure. Google values websites that load quickly and provide a seamless experience, especially on mobile devices. A slow website or one that isn't mobile-friendly can lead to poor user experience, which can negatively affect your rankings. Additionally, your website's URL structure should be clean and easy to understand. helping both users and search engines navigate your site with ease. Backlinks are a key off-page SEO component. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your content. Google views backlinks as votes of confidence, suggesting that other sites find your content valuable. The more high-quality backlinks your site has, the more likely it is to rank well. However, not all backlinks are equal. Links from authoritative, trustworthy websites will have a bigger impact than links from low-quality sites. User experience, or UX, is another important SEO component. Google values websites that provide an excellent user experience. This includes factors such as how easy it is to navigate your site, how fast your pages load, and how relevant your content is to what the user is looking for. A positive user experience increases the likelihood of a visitor staying longer on your site and returning in the future, which in turn signals to Google that your site is valuable. Finally, SEO also requires regular monitoring and adjustments. SEO is not a one-time process. As Google updates its algorithms and as the competitive landscape changes, your SEO efforts should evolve. Monitoring tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console can help you track your performance and make informed decisions about where to adjust your strategy. Google's search engine is constantly working behind the scenes to deliver the most relevant and helpful results to users. When you enter a search query, Google uses a complex process to find the best matches across billions of websites. The first step in this process is crawling. Google uses bots, often referred to as Google crawlers, to visit websites and collect data about them. Once the crawlers gather this data, it's sent to Google's index, which is essentially a massive database of all the information Google has gathered from the web. This indexing process involves categorizing content and understanding the context of each page. Google looks at everything from the page's content to its structure and even its code to understand what it's about and how relevant it is to specific search queries. Next, when you search for something on Google, the search engine uses a ranking algorithm to determine which pages should appear first in the search results. Google's algorithm looks at hundreds of ranking factors to decide this. These include factors like the relevance of the content to your query, the quality of the content, the authority of the website, and how well the page satisfies user intent. User intent plays a significant role in Google's ranking process. Google's algorithm strives to match search queries with the best possible results based on what the user is actually looking for. This could mean providing informational content for someone looking for answers or showing product pages for someone looking to make a purchase. Google's goal is to ensure that the search results are as relevant and helpful as possible. Google's algorithm also uses machine learning to improve its ability to understand and rank content. Over time, it learns from user behavior and adjusts its ranking methods accordingly. For example, if a user frequently clicks on a certain type of result for a specific query, Google's algorithm may give that result more weight in the future. RankBrain, one of the key components of Google's search algorithm, is a machine learning system that helps Google understand how to interpret complex or ambiguous queries. This system helps Google improve its search results, especially for queries that it hasn't seen before or for which there isn't an obvious answer. This is why SEO is an ongoing process. Google's algorithm is always evolving. Google also takes into account signals such as page load speed, mobile friendliness, and security when determining search rankings. Websites that load quickly and provide a smooth experience across all devices are favored. This is why technical SEO is so important. The better your website meets the needs of both users and Google's algorithms, the higher your site will rank in search results. Google's algorithm plays a central role in determining which websites appear at the top of search engine results pages. As mentioned earlier, this algorithm is based on numerous ranking factors, and it's essential to understand these factors in order to optimize your website effectively. The more aligned your website is with Google's ranking criteria, the better chance it has of ranking higher on the search results pages. One of the most important factors is relevance. Google's algorithm is designed to provide the most relevant content for each search query. This means that your website's content must be closely aligned with what users are searching for. When creating content, make sure to focus on the keywords and phrases that people are using to find information related to your topic. Authority is another critical ranking factor. Google tends to favor websites that are seen as authoritative sources of information. This can be determined by factors such as the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to your site, the trustworthiness of the websites linking to you, and your overall reputation on the web. Building authority takes time, but it's essential for long-term SEO success. The user experience is also a major ranking factor. Google's algorithm is designed to prioritize websites that provide a positive experience for visitors. This includes factors such as how quickly your pages load, how easy it is to navigate your site, and whether your content is engaging. A website with a high bounce rate and poor user engagement signals to Google that it may not be providing valuable content, which can hurt your rankings. Google's algorithm has also become much more sophisticated with the introduction of machine learning. This allows Google to continuously refine its ranking methods based on real-world data and user behavior. Over time, Google learns to identify the types of content that users find most useful and relevant, allowing it to deliver better search results. Google's updates, such as Core Web Vitals, also reflect its growing focus on user experience. These updates include factors such as loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. Websites that perform well in these areas are more likely to rank higher, which is why technical SEO, such as optimizing page speed and mobile responsiveness, is so important. Finally, the role of Google's algorithm in SEO is about staying up to date with its changes. Google frequently releases updates to its algorithms, and staying informed about these updates is critical to maintaining or improving your rankings. By continually optimizing your website in response to these changes, you can keep your site in line with the latest best practices and continue to rank highly in search results. Keyword research is the foundation of SEO because it helps you understand what people are searching for online. It involves identifying the keywords and phrases that potential visitors are typing into search engines like Google. These search queries can be highly specific, and the goal is to match your website content to these queries in a way that drives organic traffic. By targeting the right keywords, you can increase the chances of your website being discovered by the people who need your products or services. The first step in keyword research is understanding your audience and the language they use when searching for your content. Put yourself in their shoes. What would they type into Google when looking for the solution you provide? Think about the problems they are trying to solve and the terms they would use. This will help you come up with seed keywords. These are general terms that represent your niche or topic. Once you have your seed keywords, you can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or other third-party tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to find related keywords. These tools provide data about the search volume of keywords, competition, and potential click-through rates. The goal is to identify keywords that have a decent amount of search volume but aren't too competitive, especially for beginner websites. When conducting keyword research, it's important to consider long-tail keywords as well. Long-tail keywords are longer and more specific phrases that often have lower competition but can be highly targeted. For example, instead of just targeting SEO, you might target how to improve local SEO for small businesses. Long-tail keywords are often easier to rank for and can attract a more relevant audience who is looking for specific information. It's also essential to think about the search intent behind keywords. Search intent refers to the reason behind a search query. Are users looking to learn something, make a purchase, or find a local service? There are three main types of search intent: informational, transactional, and navigational. Understanding this intent helps you create content that aligns with what people are looking for, which increases the chances of ranking higher. Keyword research isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. As trends change, so do the keywords people search for. It's important to keep updating your keyword list and refine your strategy accordingly. Using the data from your research, you can optimize your website's content, structure, and even advertising campaigns to ensure that you're targeting the right keywords that drive valuable traffic. In summary, keyword research is an essential part of SEO, as it helps you understand what people are searching for and how to align your content with their needs. By identifying the right keywords, you can attract a targeted audience, improve your rankings, and ultimately drive more traffic to your website. This is the first step in building a successful SEO strategy. Building a keyword strategy is all about using the insights you gain from keyword research to create a plan that helps you optimize your website. A keyword strategy involves prioritizing the keywords you want to rank for and aligning them with the content and structure of your site. The ultimate goal is to attract relevant traffic that is likely to engage with your content and convert into customers or followers. The first step in building a keyword strategy is grouping your keywords by theme or topic. This will help you create content that is focused and organized. For example, if your website offers SEO services, you might group your keywords into themes like on-page SEO, keyword research, link building, and technical SEO. This helps you organize your content and ensure that each page targets a specific aspect of your services. Next, you'll need to decide on the target pages for each keyword. This means determining which pages on your site will target specific keywords. For example, if you want to rank for the keyword local SEO for small businesses, you might decide to create a dedicated blog post or service page around that topic. It's important to avoid keyword cannibalization, where multiple pages on your site target the same keyword, as this can confuse Google and hurt your rankings. A crucial part of your keyword strategy is ensuring that you're targeting a mix of short-tail and long-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords tend to have higher search volumes but are more competitive, while long-tail keywords have lower search volume but can attract a more targeted audience. By balancing both types of keywords, you can create a more effective strategy that targets a wide range of search queries. Content optimization is a key component of a successful keyword strategy. Once you've decided on your target keywords, you'll need to integrate them into your content. However, it's important to use keywords naturally and avoid keyword stuffing, which can harm your rankings. Use your keywords in titles, meta descriptions, headings, and throughout the content where it makes sense. Your content should be engaging and valuable to users while also optimized for search engines. Another essential part of building a keyword strategy is monitoring performance. After you've optimized your website for your target keywords, you need to track how well those keywords are performing. Use tools like Google Search Console to monitor your keyword rankings and identify which keywords are driving traffic to your site. Based on this data, you can refine your strategy by focusing more on high-performing keywords or adjusting your approach for those that aren't performing as well. Building a keyword strategy is an ongoing process that requires continual analysis and adjustment. By staying flexible and adapting your strategy based on performance data, you can continue to improve your site's SEO over time. Ultimately, a well-executed keyword strategy will help you improve your rankings, increase targeted traffic, and grow your online presence. Optimizing content for SEO is a fundamental part of improving your website's visibility on Google. The content on your website is what Google indexes and ranks, so it's crucial to ensure that it is relevant, engaging, and optimized for both users and search engines. The first step in optimizing content is selecting the right keywords, which we covered earlier. Once you have your target keywords, it's time to incorporate them strategically into your content. Start by using your primary keyword in the title of your page or post. The title is one of the most important on-page SEO elements, as it tells both Google and users what your page is about. It's essential to make your title clear, concise, and compelling, while also incorporating the primary keyword in a natural way. Google uses the title to determine the relevance of your page to a search query, so it should reflect the main topic of the content. Meta descriptions are another critical element for SEO. While they don't directly influence rankings, a well-crafted meta description can improve your click-through rate, which is an important ranking factor. A meta description should briefly summarize the content of the page and include relevant keywords. It should be under 160 characters to ensure it's fully visible in search results. A good meta description encourages users to click on your page when they see it in search results. Headers and subheaders are important for both SEO and user experience. They help break up your content into digestible sections and make it easier for both users and search engines to understand the structure of your page. Use your primary keyword in at least one header, and incorporate variations of your keyword throughout your subheaders. This not only makes your content more readable, but also helps Google understand the key themes of your page. The body of your content should be informative, engaging, and naturally include your target keywords. However, avoid keyword stuffing, as this can result in penalties from Google. Instead, focus on providing value to the user by answering their questions or solving their problems. Google rewards content that is high quality and helpful. Use your keywords in a way that feels natural and make sure your content flows smoothly. Internal linking is another on-page SEO tactic that can help improve rankings. Internal links are links that point to other pages or posts within your website. They help Google understand the structure of your site and allow users to easily navigate to related content. When adding internal links, use descriptive anchor text that accurately reflects the content of the linked page. Lastly, optimizing images on your website can also improve SEO. Search engines cannot see images, but they can read the alt text, which is used to describe the content of an image. Be sure to include descriptive alt text for every image, incorporating relevant keywords when appropriate. Additionally, make sure your images are optimized for fast loading speeds by compressing them to reduce file size without sacrificing quality. Technical SEO refers to the optimization of the technical aspects of your website to ensure that search engines can crawl, index, and rank your pages effectively. One of the first elements of technical SEO is your website's URL structure. A clean, well-organized URL structure makes it easier for Google to crawl your site and understand the context of each page. Ideally, URLs should be short, descriptive, and include keywords that reflect the content of the page. Page load speed is another critical factor for technical SEO. Google values fast-loading websites because they provide a better user experience. Websites that take too long to load can result in a high bounce rate, which is a signal to Google that your site may not be user-friendly. To improve page load speed, you can optimize images, minify CSS and JavaScript files, and use caching techniques to reduce load times. Mobile optimization is increasingly important for SEO as more people browse the web on their smartphones. Google has switched to mobile-first indexing, which means it primarily uses the mobile version of a website to determine its ranking. Ensuring your site is mobile-friendly is crucial for maintaining high rankings. This includes having responsive design, which adjusts the layout of your site to fit different screen sizes, and ensuring that all content is easily accessible on mobile devices. XML sitemaps are an essential part of technical SEO. An XML sitemap is a file that lists all the pages on your website, helping search engines crawl your site more efficiently. By submitting your sitemap to Google via Google Search Console, you make it easier for Google to discover new pages and update its index. A properly structured sitemap ensures that all important pages are crawled and indexed. Another key technical aspect of SEO is fixing crawl errors. Crawl errors occur when Google's bots are unable to access your pages. These errors can arise due to broken links, incorrect redirects, or issues with the website's robots.txt file. By regularly checking your site for crawl errors using Google Search Console, you can address these issues and ensure that Google can properly index your content. Structured data, or schema markup, is a way to provide additional context to search engines about the content on your pages. This can help Google understand your content better and display it more effectively in search results. For example, adding schema markup to a product page can provide additional information like price, availability, and reviews directly in the search results snippet. This can improve your visibility and click-through rate. Finally, HTTPS is an important factor for SEO and security. Google favors websites that use HTTPS encryption, as it ensures that data exchanged between the user and the website is secure. If your site still uses HTTP, it's time to switch to HTTPS to improve both your security and SEO performance. Google has confirmed that HTTPS is a ranking signal, so making this change can give you a slight SEO boost. Off-page SEO refers to all the actions taken outside of your website that can impact your search engine rankings. Unlike on-page SEO, which focuses on optimizing the elements within your website, off-page SEO is about building your website's reputation and authority through external factors. One of the most important elements of off-page SEO is link building. Links from other websites to your site are considered votes of confidence, telling Google that your content is valuable and trustworthy. The more quality backlinks you have pointing to your site, the more likely Google is to trust your content and rank it higher. However, not all backlinks are equal. Google places more value on backlinks from authoritative, high-quality websites rather than low-quality or spammy sites. For example, a backlink from a well-known news website or an established blog will have a much greater impact on your rankings than a link from a random forum. Link building can be a challenging process because it requires getting other websites to link to your content. One common strategy is to create high-quality, valuable content that others will want to link to. This can include blog posts, articles, case studies, or even infographics that provide unique insights or data. When people find your content valuable, they are more likely to reference it and link back to it on their own websites. Another strategy for building backlinks is guest blogging. This involves writing content for other websites in your niche and including a link back to your own site. Guest blogging not only helps you build backlinks, but also positions you as an authority in your industry, allowing you to reach a new audience. Just be sure to write high-quality content that adds value to the host website's audience. Social media can also play a role in off-page SEO, although indirectly. When your content is shared on social media platforms, it can drive traffic to your website and increase its visibility. While social signals like shares and likes are not direct ranking factors for Google, they can lead to more backlinks and increased brand awareness, which in turn can improve your rankings over time. Another way to build off-page SEO is through influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers in your industry can help you get high-quality backlinks from their websites or social media profiles. Influencers have a large following, and if they link to your site or mention your business, it can drive traffic and improve your website's authority. When working with influencers, it's important to choose individuals who are relevant to your niche and have an engaged audience. Ultimately, off-page SEO is about building your website's credibility and authority in the eyes of Google. By creating valuable content, earning backlinks from reputable sources, and engaging with your audience, you can improve your website's SEO performance and increase its chances of ranking higher in search results. Building quality backlinks is one of the most important off-page SEO strategies for improving your search engine rankings. A backlink is essentially a vote of confidence from another website, and the more quality backlinks you have, the more Google will view your site as authoritative and relevant. However, not all backlinks are created equal, and it's crucial to focus on acquiring high-quality links from reputable sources. The first step in building quality backlinks is identifying authoritative websites in your niche. Look for websites that have high domain authority and are trusted by both users and search engines. These websites may include industry blogs, news sites, educational institutions, and government websites. Backlinks from these types of sites carry more weight and can significantly impact your rankings. One of the best ways to build quality backlinks is by creating shareable, valuable content. The more useful and informative your content is, the more likely other websites will want to link to it. This could include in-depth guides, original research, case studies, or unique data. Content that provides real value to readers is often shared on other websites and blogs, earning you backlinks in the process. Another effective strategy for building quality backlinks is through outreach. This involves contacting webmasters, bloggers, or content creators in your niche and asking them to link to your content. When reaching out for backlinks, it's important to craft a personalized, thoughtful message that explains why your content is valuable to their audience. Make sure to highlight the relevance and quality of your content, as this increases the chances of your request being accepted. Broken link building is another tactic that can help you earn quality backlinks. This involves finding broken links on other websites and suggesting that they replace the broken link with a link to your relevant content. This is a win-win situation. The website owner fixes a broken link, and you gain a valuable backlink. Tools like Ahrefs or Broken Link Checker can help you identify broken links on other sites. Guest posting is another strategy for acquiring quality backlinks. When you write guest posts for other websites in your industry, you can often include a link back to your site within the content. Guest posts not only help you build backlinks, but also expose your brand to new audiences and establish you as an expert in your field. Just be sure to write high-quality, relevant content for the host website to maintain your credibility. Lastly, testimonials and reviews can also be a source of quality backlinks. Many companies and websites have testimonial pages where they showcase feedback from customers or clients. By writing a testimonial for a product or service you've used, you may be able to get a backlink to your website. This is a simple and effective way to earn backlinks, while also building relationships with other businesses in your industry. In conclusion, building quality backlinks is an essential part of off-page SEO that can significantly improve your website's rankings. By creating valuable content, reaching out to authoritative websites, and utilizing strategies like guest posting and broken link building, you can earn high-quality backlinks that increase your site's credibility and visibility on Google. Once you've implemented your SEO strategies, it's crucial to track how well your efforts are paying off. Google Analytics is one of the best tools available to measure your website's SEO performance. It provides in-depth insights into your traffic, user behavior, and overall website performance. The first step in tracking SEO performance with Google Analytics is to ensure that the tool is properly set up and integrated with your website. After setting up Google Analytics, you can start monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, that will help you understand how well your website is performing. One of the most important metrics to monitor is organic traffic. Organic traffic refers to visitors who arrive at your website from search engine results, rather than through paid ads or direct traffic. By tracking the amount of organic traffic your site is receiving, you can determine how well your SEO efforts are working. Another important metric to monitor is bounce rate. Bounce rate refers to the percentage of visitors who leave your website after viewing only one page. A high bounce rate can indicate that your content isn't engaging or that visitors aren't finding what they're looking for. By analyzing your bounce rate, you can identify pages that may need improvement or adjustment to better meet user expectations. In addition to traffic and bounce rate, Google Analytics allows you to track conversions. Conversions refer to the specific actions you want visitors to take on your website, such as filling out a contact form, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. Tracking conversions helps you understand whether your website is effectively guiding users through the conversion funnel. By improving conversion rates, you can increase the return on investment for your SEO efforts. Google Analytics also provides insights into the demographics and interests of your website visitors. This data helps you understand who your audience is, where they are coming from, and what devices they are using. By knowing more about your audience, you can create content that better meets their needs and preferences, ultimately improving your SEO performance. Another useful feature of Google Analytics is the ability to track keyword performance. While Google no longer provides specific keyword data for organic search traffic, you can still gain insights into the search queries that are driving traffic to your site by linking Google Analytics with Google Search Console. By combining data from both tools, you can see which keywords are bringing in the most traffic and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. In conclusion, Google Analytics is an invaluable tool for tracking SEO performance. By monitoring key metrics like organic traffic, bounce rate, conversions, and audience demographics, You can gain insights into how your website is performing and identify areas for improvement. Regularly analyzing this data allows you to refine your SEO strategy and continue growing your website's traffic and rankings over time. Google Search Console is another essential tool for tracking and improving your website's SEO performance. While Google Analytics provides insights into overall website traffic, Google Search Console focuses specifically on how your site is performing in Google search results. It provides data about your website's visibility, indexing status, and search performance, allowing you to identify issues that may be affecting your rankings. One of the most important features of Google Search Console is its ability to show you which search queries are driving traffic to your site. You can see the exact keywords that users are typing into Google when they find your site, along with the number of impressions, how often your site appeared in search results, and the click-through rate, CTR. This data helps you understand which keywords are performing well and which ones need further optimization. Google Search Console also provides information about your website's indexing status. It shows you how many pages of your site have been indexed by Google and allows you to submit a sitemap to ensure that all your pages are properly crawled and indexed. If Google encounters any issues with crawling your pages, such as broken links or blocked resources, it will notify you through Search Console, allowing you to quickly fix these issues. Another valuable feature of Google Search Console is its coverage report. This report shows you which pages have been indexed successfully and which ones have encountered errors. If any of your pages are not indexed correctly, Search Console provides details about the issue, such as whether the page is blocked by robots, XD, missing meta tags, or experiencing server errors. Fixing these issues ensures that your site is fully indexed and optimized for search. Google Search Console also gives you insights into mobile usability. With mobile-first indexing, it's essential that your website is mobile-friendly. Search Console shows you if there are any issues with your site's mobile usability, such as buttons that are too close together or content that doesn't fit on smaller screens. Addressing these issues will improve your rankings, especially as mobile search continues to grow. Finally, Google Search Console offers a wealth of other features, such as performance data for specific pages, the ability to disavow bad backlinks, and reports on structured data. All of these tools work together to help you monitor and improve your website's SEO performance. By regularly checking Search Console, you can ensure that your website is in good standing with Google and continue optimizing your site for better rankings. In summary, Google Search Console is an essential tool for SEO. It helps you track your website's performance in search results, fix indexing and technical issues, and optimize your content for better rankings. By using both Google Analytics and Google Search Console together, you can get a comprehensive view of your website's SEO performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your rankings over time.